Burger King. Let's check out its menu here. King GL is 37K. You can get cheese, beef, burger, and with Coke. What is up, guys? My name is Bobo and welcome back to my daily vlog. In today's video, I'm gonna give you a hotel room tour, and this hotel is called G4. Without further ado, let's go. So this is Legian Street, and I'm gonna show you the street situation a little bit before I walk down to the hotel. Hello, what's up?
Alright.
And as you can see here today, the weather is pretty good. The sun is shining. Then across the street over there, with the fences, it was used to be Surrey clubs. So this land or this place is still empty, and this is the place where the bomb was blasting in 2002. And then over here to my left is Bali bombing memorial. Yeah, this is the place, Bali bombing memorial. I can see there are several tourists over there taking some picture. Well, let's continue the walk. And then this one here is VIP restaurant. It's under renovation right now. What's up? And then across the street is the station. It's a restaurant. Place is open. And across the street over there is Paddys Lane 2, and it seems so busy over there. I can see there are so many cars. And this one is Sky Garden, so Sky Garden is still closed. It has been closed before the pandemic, and I don't see any sign that they're gonna be opening up again soon. Slingshot is across the street, and this place is open as well. It's closed today, I don't know how. Might be open later on. And this is Engine Room, one of the nightclubs you can find in here, and this place is open in the night time. Hey, what's up? Good morning. Embassy. Place is still closed as well. G4 Hotel. Let's take a walk to the lobby area before I show you the room. There are a lot of kitty bang here. It looks like there are some renovations is going on. Well, I can see there are so many alcohol over there. Many chairs, table there. And this is the lobby area. There's so many sitting area here with beautiful cushions, nice weight. I like the table, it's tiny and round. After each table it has ashtray, so this must be smoking area. And there is a tiny aquarium here, clear water. I like the fish. They're all tiny red fish. Oh my gosh, they're coming. They're swimming toward me, and take a look at them. Look like they're so hungry. Oh my gosh, I like them. They're so pretty. Can't believe this. And this is the water fountain. The front desk is over there. Let's check out this area. You can find there's so many couches here. There's so many sitting area here. It seems so spacey, and I like this decoration here, wood carving, bronzes, flower. And this is the front desk. Well, let's take a walk to the room and I will give you a room tour. Let's go. The room number is 102. Knock knock. Who's there? We can who? We can open the door. Ta-da! As soon as I open the door, this is what you're gonna see. Well, first, let's check out the bathroom. The bathroom is here to my right. It has sliding door. Let's walk inside. You can find here a single sink. Some hotel amenities here. Soap, toilet paper, hair dryer, and the toilet is here. Trash can. And then right here is towel rack. It's a floating shelf. And hey, that's me. This is the shower. It has rain shower with glass door. So the bathroom is not so huge. This is the size. I'm gonna walk outside. Yeah, this is the bed. King size bed. Beautiful white simple sheet. Two pillow over there. And then right here is some storage for your suitcase. There is some clothing hanger as well. And then little storage on the top there. There is a beautiful painting on the wall. And then beautiful lamp. There is a stool over there, long desk, mini barrier, tiny small fridge. There are 2 pair of sleep area, and then safety box. And this one is the hotel amenities. There's some mug, electric kettle, tissue, mineral water. And this is the window. Very nice ceiling. Let me show you again the room from this angle here. This is the room. And this room, it has also one flat screen TV over here mounted on the wall. Well, this is it, my video for today. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to keep smiling. So this room is called Deluxe Superior. Sorry, this room is called Superior.